Hello all, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. We always love having you. And Julie from TSET gets to join us today. Thank you. Yep. So, this is what I do. I just let Chef Val take over. So what are we making today?
We're making a one-pot beans and rice. So you're going to see some one-pot recipes, but it really doesn't mean that you can eat your whole meal in one pot. But beans and rice.
Right. Maybe not the whole amount.
Right.
But.
It's a complete protein because it has all the essential amino acids. And in this pan, we just have some brown rice and some chopped onion. I don't know if you can see that very well. Chopped onion, and then we're just going to go in with a couple of cups of water.
Oh, so it was uncooked rice. Yes. Now you're cooking it with the juices.
Right,
right. That's a good point, yes.
Okay.
You could add a little more flavor if you wanted to by using some chicken stock or veggie broth, something like that. And we're going in with just a couple of cans of beans. You can use whatever you have. We're using some cannellini beans and mixing it up with some chickpeas. In our finished product, we use red beans, but you can use whatever you want. And really, that is it. So now we're going to bring it to a simmer and put the lid on it. Cooks for 20 minutes. Good to go. Brown rice, actually, let me correct myself, maybe more like 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. So very easy, like you said, one pot. And then tell us a little bit about why just doing some simple things like this can make such a big difference.
Absolutely. So with TSET, our goal is to help Oklahomans live healthier lives, and one of the ways that we do that is make easy, free resources available through shapeyourfutureok.com. This would be something that you could do, I guess, make ahead, have it around, warm it up for a lunch that you took to work or whatever, add your favorite veggie. So this kind of fits into our goals of helping people eat better, move more, and be tobacco free.
Right, exactly. Just those little changes. And I would assume, I'm making an assumption here, that doing something like this, you could do in volume. You can feed a bigger family and it still stays within a better price range. Yeah, it's a little hard to say these days. But.
Yeah, right. But as far as prices these days, this is a very inexpensive meal and it can be its own meal, but it's also a great base for chicken, fish, something else that you might want to put on it. And I mean, really in the morning, you could use that leftover beans and rice, crack an egg on it, a fried egg on it. Fantastic.
So it's just a good solid base that you can use for many different functions or meals, however you want to look at it. Yep. Awesome. Okay, this is our part. We get to taste it.
Yes. It smells great.
So there it is. That's with the red bean option like you had mentioned, but you can use any bean.
Sure. And maybe the red bean option is one that you shake a little Cajun seasoning into, because this one is, just salt and pepper and then garnishing with some green onion. That's it.
That's really good.
It's a very wholesome tasting. This is awesome. Yeah, and so it's a great way to just use what you have and make the best of it.
Right.
All right, this is awesome. Tastes delicious. Definitely, if you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes and tips, go ahead and head to kjra.com.